Well, good morning cruise fans, and here we are now. It's day 4 of our 7-day cruise on the beautiful Explorer of the Seas, and today we're in Athens, Athens in Greece, and we just thought we'd give you a quick shot of the port area prior to getting off today. Today we're going to do the hop-on hop-off bus and take you for a tour around Athens itself. So stay with us, stay tuned. But we just thought we would give you a quick idea of what the port looks like and what you can expect to see when you arrive in Athens on your cruise. And in the port with us today are another couple of cruise ships. There's a Holland America line ship there, and also another Royal Caribbean cruise ship, so we'll check her out and see which ship it is in due course. But here's Athens. It's going to be very warm today, we think, probably in the high 20s, early 30s, and we're going to take you off for that tour as I mentioned. So it's a lovely Explorer of the Seas, and we are in the ports in Athens in Greece, and I just thought I would give you a little shot of the beautiful Explorer of the Seas and then just share a little bit of the port with you. Here's the cruise terminal. It's cruise terminal B, and we're going to be going through that in a moment and checking out what tours and activities are available once we get through. And here we are in the port of Piraeus, and we're just going into the arrivals hall now, and it's a fairly open, expansive hall, obviously designed for lots of passengers arriving. Obviously a couple of security gates there and some conveniences. And further in there's an information area and a couple of shops. There's a Hard Rock Cafe here. Okay, and so the information area seems to be a bit of a scramble there, and some apparel shops, and also some other stores here on this side. And as you come through the arrivals terminal, you come into this part of the port where you can pick up a taxi, and also a variety of different bus services as well. So today we're probably going to do the hop-on hop-off bus, so stay with us as we take a look around the city, the ancient city of Athens, and a variety of sightseeing bus options. There's the city sightseeing, and there's another one, and a Greek-based one, and another company over on the left-hand side. And as we leave the port, we just start to see some of the houses in the city, and a beautiful little inlet with hotels and a nice marina. Another lovely port with a fantastic looking marina with lots of tall ships, catamarans, etc. And another beautiful part of the marina, getting closer to the coast edge. How lovely is that?
This is the stop 38 botanical beach.
And another beautiful view across the bay, and a fantastic harbour and beautiful marina. How lovely is that? And a rather large stadium over on the left hand side. It's Athens football stadium. And so we're on one of the little intermediate stops, and in addition to the Acropolis, we're going to pop over to the National Gardens and see some of the fantastic flora and fauna here in Athens. Stay tuned. And quite a busy road. This is stop A5 on the bus tour, and it's the connecting stop for a number of the other routes. Okay, so welcome back, and here we are now at the National Gardens on stop C6 of the bus tour, and what a lovely place it is. We're going to take a little walk around here. We're going to take you around, see what we can find, see what we can see. I'm sure the gardens will be lovely. So lots of shaded areas, of course, because this is an area with lots of trees and plant life, and some fantastically cool spots to sit and relax and ponder along, and some fine examples of shrubs in flower. And you can hire some bikes here in the city and go around on a bit of a tour, and as well as the host of different little alleyways, we have a little pool, little pool, and quite a significant number of turtles. Yeah, how about that? And a very useful map giving some indications of the various activities and areas around the park. Pause the video to take a detailed look. And a lovely little water feature here with ducks and such like. Lovely little bridge, and a beautiful outlook. And a lovely covered area all the way up to the centre of the park itself, and a maze of different pathways taking you to different places. Athenian Parliament building. So this was the changing of the guard at the government building. The University of Athens. That's nice, isn't it? The National Museum. So today we've been on a partial tour of Athens, and we've been to the acropolis, to the Parthenon. We've seen the Temple of Dionysus, and we've given you a few tips and tricks about what to do and where to go when you're in Athens. The hop-on hop-off bus tour has a number of key stops, and one of them is A4, and it is where you get your transfer bus back to Piraeus, i.e. the cruise port. So if you're thinking about doing a tour of Athens, you do well to get yourself a hop-on hop-off bus. It will take you around a number of different routes. The green route will be on the coast, and the red route will take you around the city, and A4 is a stop-off point for all of those routes. So really easy, really good connections, really easy to discover Athens. And we've had a great day here. It's been rather hot, but we've seen the Acropolis and the Pantheon, and we're glad that you came along with us. So if this is the sort of content that you like, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It's through your subscription, which is completely free, that this channel can grow, and we thank you for your participation. Drop us any comments or any questions at the bottom of this video. We'll be happy to answer them. So, following our bus tour to the Acropolis and the Pantheon, we've had an express bus trip back, and we're now entering back into the port to get back on the lovely Explorer of the Sea. Okay, so we're back in the port now in Piraeus, and we've just got off our hop-on hop-off bus. Taxis are coming back now, dropping off people from various parts of the port. And here's the beautiful Explorer of the Seas, and here is the entry terminal for us getting back on. Okay, so welcome back, cruise fans, and we're in Athens. It's day 4 on the beautiful Explorer of the Seas, and we've been out in the city of Athens today. We've taken you along with us. We hope that was useful and you got a few tips and tricks along the way. And if this is the sort of content that you like, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It's through your subscription the channel will grow, and it's free to do, it's easy to do, and it'd be a pleasure to welcome you to the community. So that was Athens, day 4 on Explorer of the Seas. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye. And if you like this video, why not check out our channel, Ray and Sue's Travel Channel, where you'll find a raft of other cruise videos covering the Far East, the Middle East, the Mediterranean, and the Caribbean and Mexico. So please leave us any comments that you'd like, and consider liking and subscribing to our channel. It's through your subscription that this channel can grow.